Hello guys, welcome to my video again. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the group by statement. And this is something that we have already done previously. Okay, and we are going to see this in a bit more granular way, right? So let's start with the group by. So what group by does is, so for that, let me first go to the database. So in here, the data that I have is in practice, right? So we have the customer data, full orders data, sales data. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this time, I'm going to use the practice because I want those data from practice. And then in the practice, let's try to see what we have in the sales data, right? So let me try to run this query quickly. I'm just forgetting to write form. Okay, and okay, we have a lot of information over here. Okay, and then let's also see what we have in the orders data. Okay, so let me try to copy this one, select all from the orders data, and let's see. So we have the customer id, employee id, order date, and shipping id. Okay, cool. Okay, so what we can do is we can try to work with the sales data only. So we will learn how to use the group by on the sales data. Okay, so first of all, if I see over here, and this is something that we have already seen before. Okay, so if I want to see by, let's say, product subcategory, what is the product price? So what we can do, first of all, we will need to take the sum of product price, right? So how we can take the sum of product price? So what we are going to do is select sum of the product price. So let me try to copy this one from here, select sum of product price. From which data? We'll just write it over here. From which data? From the sales data, right? So we have the sales data, and then I want to group this by, I want to, let's say, show it by product subcategories. So what I will do, from sales data, group by product subcategory, and I will have to write the product subcategory over here as well. So otherwise it will not show up. Okay, now if I try to select this and try to run this one, it will show me by each product category what is the product price. Okay, and if I try to name it, let's say this one, I'm going to name it as product price only. So I will just write down product price here, and then what I can do is I can use order by over here. So order by, I wanted to order by product price. Okay, and let's see what it shows. So you see, now it is kind of ordered. Okay, and we can quickly see by looking at this that if I talk about the hydration packs, it is kind of priced the most. Okay, it is 32,884. Okay, this is how you can use the group by function. Okay, and sorry, it's not a function. Group by, it's a statement. Okay, and now you can try to experiment with this. What you can do is you can try to do a lot of things, and I will also give one exercise to work on this thing so that you understand these things better. Okay, now let's say if I also want to see, what I want to see is by customer status and by product subcategory, what is my product price. Okay, so let me, if I want to group it by two categories or two variables, what I can do is I will just take the, let's say I want to show it by, let's go with the customer gender. So I want to show it by customer gender as well. So let me try to copy this one, paste it, and then I want to group it by this two. Okay, not only by product subcategory but also with the customer gender and this. Okay, and I want to sort this by product price. Let's see what it shows. So you see, for each customer gender, okay, let's say if I talk about male, so male, whenever males are buying bikes, they are paying on a total basis, they are paying this much amount. Okay, now you have a different sort of let's say distribution over here. So for, let's say, male female, we have each and every product categories. Okay, so this is how you can work with a group by statement.